If you're in the market for a new bike, one big decision you'll face is choosing between a single speed and a geared bike. Each has its pros and cons, and the right choice depends on your riding style, terrain, and personal preference. In this video, we'll break down the key differences to help you decide which bike suits you best. What is a single-speed bike? A single-speed bike, as the name suggests, has only one gear ratio. It lacks derailleurs or a gear-shifting mechanism, which keeps the design simple and efficient. Riders rely entirely on their pedaling power to adjust speed and overcome resistance. Single-speed bikes are popular for city commuting, recreational riding, and even certain types of racing. They provide a clean, minimalist cycling experience, free from the complications of shifting gears. Another variation of single-speed bikes is the fixed-gear fixie bike, which does not allow coasting, meaning the pedals move as long as the wheels are in motion. Fixies are often used by cycling enthusiasts who enjoy the direct connection between rider and road.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
What is a gear bike? A gear bike or multi-speed bike is equipped with a derailleur system that allows the rider to switch between multiple gears. These bikes can have anywhere from a few gears to more than 20, depending on the model. By shifting gears, riders can adjust the level of resistance based on the terrain, making it easier to climb hills or maintain speed on flat roads. Geared bikes are available in various styles, including road bikes, mountain bikes, touring bikes, and hybrid bikes. Each type is designed for different cycling needs, from high-speed road racing to rugged off-road trails. Performance and riding experience. Single-speed bikes deliver a pure, connected feel with the road. Since you have to rely on your own strength rather than shifting gears, they improve leg power and endurance. However, they can be challenging when riding uphill or against strong winds. Gear bikes, in contrast, make riding easier by adjusting resistance. You can shift to lower gears for effortless climbs or higher gears for fast-paced riding. This makes them more suitable for varied terrains and longer distances. Maintenance and durability. One of the biggest advantages of a single-speed bike is its minimal maintenance. Without derailleurs, cassettes, or shifters, there are fewer components to wear out or break. This means less servicing and lower maintenance costs. Geared bikes require more upkeep because of their complex gear system. The chain, cassette, and derailleurs need regular cleaning and adjustments to ensure smooth shifting. While they offer better performance, they demand more care. Weight and speed. Single-speed bikes are generally lighter because they lack additional gear components. This makes them easy to carry and maneuver, especially in urban settings. Their simplicity also allows for a more aerodynamic ride, which can be beneficial for speed on flat surfaces. Geared bikes tend to be heavier, but they compensate with efficiency. The ability to shift gears means you can maintain consistent speed with less effort, making them faster on varied terrains. Cost and affordability. Single-speed bikes are usually more affordable since they have fewer parts. They are a great choice for beginners, casual riders, or those on a budget. If you want a reliable, cost-effective bike for daily commuting, a single-speed is a solid option. Geared bikes, due to their advanced mechanisms, tend to be more expensive. High-end models with precision gear systems can cost significantly more, but they provide better performance and versatility. Which one should you choose? Go for a single-speed bike if you ride mostly on flat roads, want a lightweight and low-maintenance bike, or prefer a budget-friendly option. Opt for a gear bike if you tackle hills frequently, enjoy long-distance cycling, or want a bike that adapts to different riding conditions. Both single-speed and geared bikes have their unique advantages. If you value simplicity, affordability, and low maintenance, a single-speed bike is a great choice. If you prioritize comfort, speed, and versatility, a geared bike is the way to go. Choose the one that best fits your riding needs and enjoy the journey ahead.